Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. So before we get into the video, let's give this video a thumbs up. If you're new around here, go ahead and hit subscribe, turn on post notifications so you'll be alerted every time I post a new video. So it is going to get wild real quick and get crazy once this starts happening, guys. So, and that is, won't like to hold you, waste nobody time. And that is halts, guys. Once AMC start halting again, things are going to get epic. And for the ones that don't know exactly what it means whenever a stock halts, that could happen if it opened near the opening of the day. That halt could last anywhere between 5 to 10 minutes. It happened near the end of the day, right near power hour. That halt could last for, anywhere between 30 minutes to an hour. Halts, usually from where I experienced them in the market, they don't really last that long, especially when it's a very volatile stock and it have a lot of volume that day. That means so many people, it's different reasoning. Just like I said, it's different reasons why stock price go up. It's different reasons for a lot of different things that happen, especially within the market. Whenever a halt happens, it's different characteristics that go into play. That could happen because of the service breaker, the service breaker just being a glitch, being in the system, which I call, manipulation, rig, that type of stuff. Also, it could happen from so much demand, buying pressure, or selling pressure, because a halt can happen to the downside or upside. But you tend to know whichever the trend is your friend, whichever direction the stock is typically going in that moment, that's usually what the halt is going to be a help to that direction. If we at $20.40 now, then we run up to 23, 24, and then it halt, that means it's already telling me we about to halt straight up to the high 20s, right around 30, if you following me. But if we break down to around 20, 19, 18, and then you halt to the downside, that give you a clear indication that you probably about to come right back down to $13, $14 range. But like I told you guys in previous videos, you don't have to worry about that. I know y'all get scared whenever somebody say about anything about downside with AMC. It ain't no need to get scared, but if it's coming, I'm gonna let you know, regardless if you get scared or don't want to hear it or not. But anyways, I am bullish going into next week, and for the next few weeks to come from here on out. I'm bullish on the overall market. I'm also bullish with AMC. So we know the market has been funny lately. We've been catching it, paying attention to details, seeing exactly how the algorithm haven't been moving the same as previously. Everything was moving simultaneously, but since last week on Wednesday, the market dropped while meme stocks, AMC and GME rallied. And then came Friday, GME, AMC rallied at the beginning of the day, stocks dropped, and we supposed to continue to rally. But then things started getting a little different, and we pulled back, and towards the end of the day at power hour, they try to, give us them gains back and give us that little spike. But in reality, if we would have continued to trade how the algorithm had switched itself and began to come to a normal basis, having different sectors running in the market, not everything running together, having meme stocks and traditional stocks running on two different opposite frequencies. Once that was happening, came Friday, which would have greatly benefited us, they didn't try to let it do the same. So anyways, guys, back to put that out there so you guys will know that, and back to the halts. So a lot of people is going to also miss out on the opportunity to load up and get as much as they want with AMC, because it's a lot of sideline money. A lot of people waiting with big loads of cash, just waiting for a clear indication, a break above 23, to rush in and barge in and put a lot of money in just for a short period of time, from that ride to 23 back to around 30 or the high 20s. But if them halts start to happen soon, that's going to give us even more attention, even more people willing to get in, because believe it or not, halts do attract more buyers. They like, this stock, especially if it's in that upward direction or going in the direction that majority of the buyers want to buy in at. So getting that and making that happen, a lot of people will miss out because they got their money on the sideline waiting for that indication that it's a true reversal. But once that halt happened, they can't even get in because there's so many orders that's trying to get filled that none of them orders ain't gonna get filled until it reached the level that it's trying to reach to. And that's just at a small level. Once the halt start happening on a bigger level, that thing could run very quick. It could double up, triple up in price just like that. So you already know, guys, that's just my take on it. letting you guys know to be prepared for them halts, because once they start happening, things could get crazy real quick. So you already know what to do. Consider joining the family. We post over here every single day. Add your boy on Instagram at the B Hayes Show. I love y'all. We out, and God bless you. We gone.